Welcome to another course in our series of online short courses. This time we will take you through an introduction to hygienic conveyor design. I'm Karen Blako, Food Safety Specialist at Commercial Food Sanitation, and have the honor of introducing this course to you. Let's start. After this course, we would like you to recognize how hygienic design affects food safety, specifically related to conveyors that are often in direct contact with food products. We also like to share with you what general and industry guidance is available out there. It is always powerful to understand the background, and therefore we will cover the principles of hygienic equipment design and then go into specifics on the different conveyor components. In this course, we will cover the following subjects: Introduction to Hygienic Conveyor Design, Conveyor Technologies, Conveyor Framework, Carryway and Returnway, drive end and idle end, as well as additional components. So let's get started. To achieve operational excellence for a conveyor, there are two important elements. The mechanical design part, to ensure the conveyor runs effectively as per the operational requirements, as well as ensuring a safe operation at all times. The Introx technical support team will be available for you to support you with the technical aspect in terms of belt choices and design to achieve that technical operational excellence. Please contact Introx for specific support in that area. In this course, we will only focus on the hygienic design piece and cover elements to allow effective and efficient cleaning of the conveyor and help achieve operational excellence from the food safe and sanitation perspective. In Course 1, we covered the CFS Preventative Plan, set up for excellence in food manufacturing through environmental pathogen control and sanitation excellence. The fifth element we covered, hygienic design, is an important part of prevention and the first stepping stone to food safety. It doesn't matter if you're an equipment manufacturer making recommendations or building equipment for the food industry, or if you're a food processor making decisions on equipment to purchase. The decisions you will make today will have a lasting impact. How many years will the equipment stay in operations? At least 5, 10, or 25 years or more. It is more than likely that the equipment will be there for more than one generation of workers. Think about that when you design. How many hours of maintenance, how many hours of sanitation are spent over the life of the asset, and how your decisions today can have a long-lasting impact. There are many guidelines available in the industry that can help you in the process of hygienic design. General guidelines like from the AMI, American Meat Institute, for wet environments, or GMA, the Grocery Manufacturing Association, for low moisture products. Or you can get more specific guidelines with, for instance, EHEG, European Hygienic Engineering and Design Group, which you have to be a member of or pay for guidelines like specifically for welding, etc. In this course, we will use the 10 principles of equipment design from AMI for wet sanitation, as these principles apply very well for any product and environment. Of the 10 principles, I will highlight the ones that are most applicable for conveyors. Starting with number 2, considering chemicals that are used for sanitation, not only routine, but also periodically. Which leads us to, for instance, the choice of material for framework being stainless steel. And principle number 3, the biggest one, accessibility. Designing in access to clean, either through direct access or through disassembly. Principle number 4, any design should promote the running off of water. The same counts for dust. And then principle number 5, solid materials are preferred. If hollow materials are used, these have to be hermetically sealed to eliminate any ingress of soil, moisture, and with that create a breeding ground for bacteria. Principle number 6, niches or sandwich areas should be eliminated where possible, or at least limited. Where there is a bolt, there is a sandwich. Remember that rule and you'll be surprised how many sandwich areas you will find on conveyors. And then principle number 8, maintenance enclosures. This refers to the electrical cabinets, your wiring or control panels, often an area that creates challenges in the food manufacturing environment. Let's have a closer look into conveyor design. You can basically split into two systems, low tension systems and tensioned systems. Low tension systems making it easy to create an accessible design, allowing for easy lifting of the belts to create more access and for an effective and efficient cleaning procedure. Making sanitation happy by making it sanitation friendly. Tension technology, on the other hand, requires detensioning to create excess and has little to no excess under the belt otherwise. The detensioning means it will need to be retensioned and realigned, which causes risks to operational issues with the variables of tension, moisture levels, load, etc. As we want to support hygienic design, we will focus on low tension technologies, with low tension enabling access for sanitation and ultimately achieving operational excellence. We will focus on conveyors using low tension technologies that are sprocket driven, like modular plastic belting and the Interlock's thermodrive. Most things will apply to both. If they are specific to one technology, we will make sure to clearly mention that. As we can imagine, you might be looking for more after this course. We want to briefly show you what support options are out there. Long term, we can work with food processors to create custom hygienic conveyor design guidelines, which is a collaborative effort between company stakeholders, Interlock's conveyance experts, and CFS food safety specialists. We also have several on-site workshops available. For instance, the Food Safe Conveyor workshop, focusing on operational excellence of your conveyor and touching on design as well as integration into maintenance and sanitation programs. Or Hygienic Design workshop, in which we cover hygienic equipment design in general and not just conveyors. Other than that, we can always provide project design support with help of the Interlock's Technical Support Group, Interlock's Application Engineers, and CFS Food Safety Specialists. Thanks for watching and listening, and enjoy the rest of the course, in which we will cover specific conveyor components.